Hi there, students. Absent-minded, an adjective. Absent-mindedly, the adverb. Absent-mindedness, the noun for the quality. Okay, if somebody is absent-minded, they forget things. They don't pay attention to what's happening around them. And that's because they're thinking about other things. So, absent-minded, forgetful, likely to forget things because you're not paying attention. Okay, being very forgetful, being inattentive. He had an absent-minded smile on his face. He's always forgetting things. As we get older, we become more absent-minded, more forgetful, more vague and abstracted. He absent-mindedly picked up a piece of dirt that was on his jacket. Yeah, you're going to have to put up with my absent-mindedness, and if I forget your name and you have to remind me half a dozen times, it's par for the course. Yeah, so you're inattentive. He absent-mindedly put his pen into the dishwasher. Okay, he wasn't thinking about what he was doing. Let's see, we have this stereotype, the absent-minded professor. Okay, this is a stereotype of some academic or some professor, particularly a scientist, who is always thinking about intellectual things, thinking about the problem that they're trying to solve. And they forget or ignore the things that are happening around them. Yeah, so it's a person who is oblivious to reality. This guy is a bit of an absent-minded professor. His mind is always on other things. Okay, so one word, two words, or with a hyphen? I think you could probably use all of them, although I think probably the most standard is with a hyphen in the middle, absent-minded. But you could make it one word, and you could make it two words without a hyphen as well. So they're both valid, okay? Absent-minded, where your mind is absent. Yeah, you're distracted by something else. Yeah. I was so absent-minded that it took me 20 minutes to find the glasses that were on the top of my head. That was absent-minded. I didn't realize I was actually wearing glasses. Okay, so absent-minded is where you're not concentrating on the world around you. Yeah, as I get older, I get a lot more absent-minded. Yeah, his absent-mindedness is something that you will just have to deal with. Okay, what about formality? I think I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you can use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, well, it comes from absent, yeah, which comes from French absent, which itself comes from Latin absens or absum, ab, away, and sum, to be, so to be away. So if you're absent, if something's absent, it's away, and if you're absent-minded, then your mind is away. Okay, so yeah, I can be quite absent-minded at times. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Absent-minded.